Okay, I'm meeting my aunties, Takaw. Takaw, okay, no? Takaw. Nice. Looks like they have good food. Tita Ramona. Hello. Hello. Thank you. Hello.
Happy birthday!
Thank you. Hello. Thank you. So, Totsi. Totsi. Totsi pa rin ang sabi ko. Takaw pala. Takaw. Takaw. Muntik na naging taco. Takaw. Nice. This is a nice place. Sarap kaya ang pagkain.
We always will. Isa lang yung restaurant.
Huh? Oh, yeah.
We'll make sure na isa lang.
Yeah, sure. No problem.
You told them, ay, hindi na kami magtagal.
No problem. I have a van.
Sila na lang. Hindi ko ba nag-drive?
Always. Wala na akong driver.
Natingnan ko magdating. Ay, hindi. Ganyan. Start lang ganyan.
So, what is this?
Gising.
Gising.
It's string beans. It's made of what? It's made of string beans and tatak. With ito garlic ba yan? And dilis.
And dilis.
And this is Davao barbecue chicken with achara. Or
Barbecue.
order natin. Galing, no?
This is bulag rice. Oh, I'm so excited to eat.
Asian cow. Ibig sabihin walang alam yun.
Ibig sabihin, probinsyano yung kausap mo.
Hindi yun nagbabasa.
Hindi, probinsyano yung kausap mo. Di ba? Nice. Wow, tempting, oh.